Hello everyone, today we had an LG 55-inch LED TV, had an auto off and on problem. This is the model number of our TV. Then we remove it from the TV stand or TV bracket. And then we remove also the part of the metal bracket, so we can open the TV cover and a little bit cleaning. We unplug the AC cord and remove it from the board. Okay, we already removed, and all screw had been unscrewed, so we are ready to remove the back cover of our TV. So we will pull it up. Can you pull up? So let's start. First, we do a visual check on each board. This is the power supply board. This is the main board, our LED TV. For this trouble, we will check also the circuit connection. Then we remove this power supply board. After we do a visual checking, then we remove this socket also. Now we already removed the socket. Then we will check the power supply circuit connection. And now we are ready to check on its circuit joints. And we found out this circuit in the secondary of our transformer. We found a crack on its leg. This may be the reason for an auto off and on problem of our TV, or it gives an intermittent function. So we need to resolder this on its cold solder joints in this area. So it's better to remove all cold solder joints before we resolder. We use a desoldering pump to remove the old cold solder joints, so we can replace a new solder. And now we finish resoldering all the secondary leg of our transformer. We do also resoldering on other joints to have a new solder. And don't forget to clean all those excess solder to prevent from short circuit. Okay. And we replace also a 210-volt capacitor.
Looks like the entire